10 Iron Rules of Inayati Sufi Order. Iron Rule 1. My conscience is self. Make no false claims. Iron Rule 2. My conscience is self. Speak not against others in their absence. Iron Rule 3. My conscience is self. Do not take advantage of a person's ignorance. Iron Rule 4. My conscience is self. Do not boast of your good deeds. Iron Rule 5. My conscience is self. Do not claim that which belongs to another. Iron Rule 6. My conscience is self. Do not reproach others, making them firm in their faults. Iron Rule 7. My conscience is self. Do not spare yourself in the work you must accomplish. Iron Rule 8. My conscience is self. Render your services faithfully to all who require them. Iron Rule 9. My conscience is self. Seek not to profit by putting someone in straits. Iron Rule 10. My conscience is self. Harm no one for your own benefit.